Hello guys, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. Right now in this video we are going to learn very significant topic. Having seen this video, definitely your computer knowledge, especially Excel formulas knowledge, you are going to enhance. So keep watching this video up to the end until it should be finished. So we will talk about today and or formula along with if. So how we will use in this table this formula. So here we go. Let's see how we can use this formula in this table. You are watching here. There is name, payment year, and payments amount as well. And here you may say you may look the total number, total amount. Okay. So here we will first explain if and formula. Therefore you will have to put here is equal to, and then if, then you have to open a bracket. After that you have to write a and the and then again open the bracket. As you open the bracket, you will see the logical one condition. So therefore, if you want to give any logical condition, so you may give one by one. So I will give here one logical condition if this is greater than 10,000, and the second logical condition is this cell is also is greater than 10,000, and third condition is here this cell is also greater than 10,000, and you will have to close the bracket over here and you have to put here a comma. After that, if you want this is a true value, then you may write a quotation sign and put here uh, good good. Then you have to close it with quotation sign as well, and after that you have to put here comma, then also again you have to put over here a quotation mark. Then if this is matching the same condition, then good, otherwise not good. So we will write here not good, then we will close with it with the quotation sign and then again with the bracket. As soon as we will put or press the enter button, you will see over here this condition is looking good because I have given there the value should be if value will be 10,000 is greater than, then here will be good, and if the value will be less 10,000 among uh, any cell, then this value will be not good. I will We will see whole table whole column formula. We will drag it, and we are looking here all category is good. So how can we know that about the not good category? So therefore I will put over here 9,000. Then as soon as I put over here 9,000, the condition is not good because in formula I have given the logical condition is greater than 10,000 amount. You may look over the second cell also. Here I put the value 5,000. Then you will also look the not good condition. This is all about the if and end formula function in the MS Excel. Right now we are going to discuss a next formula function, that is if or. If or is also the same condition, so let's start the function of if and or. So therefore we will put over here is equal to, and then if, then we will open the bracket, and after that we will put over here or, then second time we will open the bracket, and then there will be put a first logical condition, that should be is less than uh, 15,000, and second logical condition is this is less than 15,000 as well, and third one condition is also less than 15,000. We will close the bracket, having put the comma. After that we will put here quotation sign, and then we will uh, write over here OK. Then close with the quotation sign. After that we will write over here the comma, and after that second time we will write the quotation sign, and there I will put not not okay, not okay, and we will close with the quotation sign and bracket as well, and press the enter button. As you press the enter button, you will see over here the OK, and you can drag it by this, and you are looking over here. The condition is OK, and because there is all value is not less than 15,000, because here one value is 9,000, and so far as second row is concerned, you are watching over here not okay, because over here all value of these cells are greater than greater than 15,000, so it's not okay looking over here. So this is all about if or formula. Friends, if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel immediately, so as to whenever I upload my new video on new topics, you can get shortly. I will see you in next video along with new topic. Till then, bye bye.